Hello, today is the 25th of August, 2020, and this is Dr. Fryer in our computer class. I'm mainly recording this for Zoe and Ayush, but this is also for other students who want to or need to get the instructions for how to do these assignments. So we have two new assignments that are showing up here in our stream. You can also go to classwork, and I'll talk first about keyboarding and then narrating my identity. So students, you're going to go to typing.com with the link that I gave you. You're going to click on student login, and you're going to choose to log in with Google. You don't have to have another password for this. Today, we are just going to do a 3-minute test. And this is basically to find out kind of where you are with your typing so that you can see how you're going to grow during this trimester and this year. So at the very top of this page, you're going to click on tests. And there's different tests, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. We're going to do 3 minute, and you're going to click on 3 minute test and then start test. And it will go ahead and have a clock for you, and you're just going to type the sentences and the words that it has up there. And when you're done, it's going to tell you how fast you did. It is going to show you a certificate. So you're going to have a certificate, but instead of printing it, we are going to download it. And so in the very upper right corner of your screen, there is a little arrow that you'll see. And when you click that, it's going to let you download your certificate. And you can call it typing. I think it's going to be called doc. Just pay attention to where you save it. It's probably going to be in your downloads folder. And then you're going to save that so you can turn it in with Google Classroom. Bless you. So here's what this looks like in Google Classroom. When you go to this assignment, you are going to view the assignment. So you can't turn it in when you see it right here under classwork. You've got to click where it says view assignment. And then you can go up here where it says your work. Now I actually already turned one of these in, but I will show you that the process again. You're not going to have anything right here up on your work. And so you're going to click add or create. Can anybody give me an idea why Google Drive won't work right now? Or link? Why are these not going to work for me to attach? What do you think, Hudson? I didn't put it in my Google Drive. That's exactly right. So the choice we have to go with is file, because that file is in our downloads folder. So when you click on file, there's a choice that says upload, and that is where you're going to browse to find your file. Again, pay attention to where you save it. It's probably just in your downloads, and you'll find that file. It's going to look a little bit different on your Chromebook, but that's okay. And then that file is ready for you to turn in. You're going to click turn in, and then it pops up to confirm, and you say turn in, and you're done with your typing. Okay? So that's going to be assignment number 1 today. Does anybody have any questions about that particular assignment for typing.com? Are we good with that? Okay, I see thumbs up. So let me show you now what our second assignment is, and that one is going to be called Narrate My Identity. And so on this one, you are going, again, to find the assignment. The assignment is called Narrate My Identity. And in this case, you can view the assignment. If you guys are ever confused about what you're supposed to do, the first thing I want you to try is to read the instructions I've given. Wow, that would be a lot of points, wouldn't it? Do you think Dr. Fryer made a mistake on this one? It's worth 1,000,000 points. Okay, this is actually supposed to be 20 points, so I will change that. I'd be like, this is the whole course. You just do this one assignment and you're all done. No. Most of our activities that we do in class are 10 points, and then a project is going to be a little more. It'll be like 20 points usually. We are going to use Seesaw today to narrate a slide. And so when you click this link, it should take you immediately over to Seesaw into this activity. And have you guys, raise your hand if you logged into Seesaw for our class so far this year. Did we do that? Yes, some of us did. Okay. So this link will take you right to the activity and the directions. Let me explain a little bit about Seesaw. That Seesaw, if you just go to Seesaw and you log in, you go up to Cassidy Bookmarks and you say Seesaw, you log in. First off, make sure you're in the right class, okay? Because some of you are in Spanish with me. You don't want to be in Spanish. You want to make sure you're in computers. And some other teachers actually use Seesaw as well. So make sure you're in computers. Then over here on the side, I want you to notice that the activities are the second link. I have given you in Google Classroom a link, and this is a new thing Seesaw's done, that will directly take you there. But that activity is where your instructions are, and this is where I want you to reply, all right? And these are your steps. Step number 1, you're going to open our shared Google slideshow, Who Am I? Who Are We? Click on your slide and choose File, Download, JPEG. What's that? On activities, yeah. So when you first log in to Seesaw, it takes you to the journal. So to see these instructions, you're going to be in activities and you're going to be looking at this activity. Okay? That's what the link in Google Classroom will take you to. When you click that, you probably will have to log in for the first time, but it'll take you right there. Okay? Because this is where the instructions are. All right, so it said we have to find our slideshow. And can anybody help me with that? Where am I going to find the slideshow that we already worked on before? Anybody have a thought about that?
Who am I? Who are we?
Yeah, that's it. Who am I? Who are we? How am I going to get it? William?
Go down on your Google Classroom until you find
Yep.
the assignment.
Yes, you can find it in the stream of Google Classroom that says, Who am I? Who are we? The other way, if you go to classwork, it's under there too. The stream tells you what's happened most recently. I kind of get to organize the classwork, and I put this in the section, I think I called it Getting Started, but then I think I renamed it. So anyway, you'll find it. It's now under digital literacy. Who am I? Who are we? Here it is, okay? That's the link. So you're going to want to go to your slide. And how many of you have done this before? You've saved one slide as a picture. Yes? No? Nobody's done this yet? Okay, maybe. Click on your slide, and then you're going to choose File, Download, and look at all these choices. You want to choose JPEG. That is an image. PNG will actually work as well, but today we're going to choose JPEG. All right? JPG. Yep, that's it. And it is going to download just that picture. Because what you're going to do in Seesaw is going to look like this. I'll go ahead and click on mine. This is my example, okay?
Hi, it is August the 23rd, 2020, and this is Dr. Fryer. This is my Who Am I slide, and I included a photo of a golden retriever because I love golden retrievers. And we have two. One is named Scarlet, and the other is named Moose. I will
not play the entire thing, but basically, in 45 seconds, and I want you to do this in less than 2 minutes, but you can do something like 45, 60 seconds. I want you to give us more information about yourself and about your pictures that you've put on there, okay? So,
included a picture.
Your instructions tell you, after you do that, click your green Add Response, upload your photo, and click your microphone, all right? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click Add Response, and what do you think I want? Don't be tricked, because this is a little tricky. Photo, drawing, video, upload, note, link. Does anybody know why I don't want photo right here? Because that might be what you think. Hudson, what do you think? That would be my face. That's right. That's like, take a selfie. Okay, I don't want to do that right now. So anybody have an idea? Instead of photo, what's my choice? William? Upload is exactly right. So you're going to choose upload, and then it has a choice, select from computer. Okay? You want to make sure you get the picture you downloaded, because I don't want the entire slideshow. I just want your picture. and it's going to be really small. That's okay right now because we could put more. We're only going to try for one picture right now, and we're going to click on the green check mark. Yay! So here it is. Here's my picture. Now I'm ready to narrate it, and so I can click on my microphone, and when I do, it'll probably say, do you have permission? Can I do this? You say yes. Then you're going to record. When you record, I want you to tell me your first name. I want you to tell me today's date. Who knows what today is? August the 25th. Okay, so hi, this is Dr. Fryer. Today's August 25th. And then you're going to give us some more information about your slides. Okay, and you can kind of have fun with this. This will be stuff that your parents can see on Seesaw. All the things that we share in Seesaw, we can see each other's work, and then your parents can also see that as well. And I'll be sending them an email. Some of them are already connected to Seesaw, but others might not be. And so keep that in mind. They can leave you comments. They can like the things that you do on Seesaw, and we can do that for each other. So as an example, I'll click on this. It's going to give me 3 seconds. Hi, this is Dr. Fryer, and I'm recording today on August 25th. 2020, and you can see that I like golden retrievers, barbecue, and camping. And I could record more, but for this demonstration, I'm just going to do that much. Okay, when you're done, you're going to click on the green checkbox, and there it is. Da, 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 da. And so you're going to be finished. All right, so that concludes my demonstration of our steps today for our assignment. Does anybody have a question you'd like to ask me before I turn you loose to work on those 2 assignments?
I'm still kind of having trouble
On which one?
on how to record yourself.
On how to record yourself? Okay, so the first steps I'm going to want you to do in Google Classroom is I'm going to ask you to go to those directions. And here on Seesaw, when you record and you click this link, that's where it's going to tell you your step-by-step instructions. Okay? I will help you as you have questions, but I want you to do your best to read the instructions first.
Mine's already in there. It's just, I don't know how to.
You have it in Seesaw? I'll come over and help you in a second. Okay, let me go ahead and stop our recording. Maybe.